Welcome, gentlemen, to today's video where we dive into the fascinating world of millennials and their impact on our modern society. These tech-savvy individuals have revolutionized the way we connect and communicate, with their mastery of social media and the internet. But have you ever wondered about the consequences of this digital revolution? Well, today we're going to uncover some surprising insights about millennials and how their online behavior is reshaping our lives. Get ready for a wild ride. You see, these millennials are like the prodigal children of the internet, wielding their smartphones and posting selfies on Instagram like there's no tomorrow. From 2009 to 2011, there was an explosion of social media platforms, attracting millions of users who started sharing their lives with the world. From Facebook to Twitter to Instagram, millennials became the masters of online self-expression. But what does all this sharing and evaluating mean for us? Well, it turns out that this social media frenzy has had some unexpected consequences, especially for the younger generation. Studies have shown a significant increase in self-harm and suicide rates among teenagers, and the pressure to conform and compare themselves to others online plays a big role in this alarming trend. Now, hold on to your seats, because we're about to take a deep dive into the dark side of social media. Girls, in particular, are more prone to the negative effects of online platforms like Instagram. The constant pressure to portray a perfect life, complete with flawless selfies and glamorous adventures, has created a culture of comparison and competition. It's no wonder that many young girls struggle with self-esteem and body image issues. But let's not forget about the boys. They may not be immune to the pressures of social media either. From video games to virtual worlds, boys are also exposed to harmful influences that can affect their behavior and emotional well-being. The rise of aggressive behavior and a distorted sense of masculinity are key issues that need to be addressed. So, how do we navigate this seemingly treacherous online landscape? Well, fear not, my friends, for there is hope on the horizon. Experts in social psychology and technology have come up with innovative solutions to counter the negative effects of social media. One such solution is the concept of creating a secure home base. Just like our immune system protects us from external threats, a secure home base acts as a filter for the mind, allowing us to navigate the online world with confidence and resilience. It's about building mental fortitude and setting boundaries that protect our well-being. Now, you might be wondering, what does this have to do with you, my intelligent audience of ambitious men? Well, my friend, it's simple. By understanding the psychology behind social media and its impact on our lives, we can take control of our online experiences and use them to our advantage. So, the question I pose to you is this: what actions will you take after watching this video? Will you continue to let social media control your life, or will you break free from its grip and create a secure home base for yourself? The choice is yours, my friend. But remember, if you want to stay updated with more fascinating insights and practical wisdom for navigating the modern world, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell. By doing so, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of knowledge that will empower you to live your best life. And before I go, I want to remind you that if you found this video valuable and it has made a positive impact on your life, you have the opportunity to show your support by giving a tip proportional to the value you receive. You can find the link in the video description. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay curious, stay ambitious, and never stop seeking wisdom. Welcome back, my ambitious friends. Today, I have something truly mind-blowing to share with you. AI technology is advancing at an incredible pace, and it's changing the game in every aspect of our lives. In this video, I'm going to reveal 6 mind-blowing AI tools that will give you a massive advantage in today's fast-paced world. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. First on our list is Runway ML. This powerful video and photo editing AI tool is a game changer for content creators and aspiring business owners. With Runway ML, you can upload images and get hundreds of variations, perfect for creating eye-catching thumbnails. You can remove backgrounds instantly, create images from text, modify existing images, expand scenery, replace objects or people in videos, color grade videos, and even do audio work. The possibilities are endless with this tool, and they're constantly adding new features. Next up, we have Copy AI, the all-purpose copywriting AI that will skyrocket your writing and content creation process. This tool comes with a plethora of features to help you when you're stuck. For example, you can use the blog post wizard to generate outlines for your blog posts or YouTube scripts. You can also use the social media tools, including a hook generator and a title generator to make your content stand out. And let's not forget the brainstorming tools and even the cover letter writing feature. Copy AI is your secret weapon for persuasive and engaging content. Now, let's talk about Quillbot. This paraphrasing AI is a perfect tool for students or anyone working on essays or projects. It takes existing sentences and rephrases them, making it harder for AI detection tools to spot plagiarism. Now, I'm not suggesting you cheat on your homework, but using Quillbot to speed up your work or overcome writer's block is a smart move. Embracing AI tools like Quillbot will give you an edge in this new world. Moving on, we have Assembly AI. This AI specializes in transcribing audio files and even summarizing their content. Imagine recording your lectures and uploading them to Assembly AI, which will transcribe everything for you. This way, you can focus on grasping the knowledge in real time. Assembly AI also offers sentiment analysis, which can be useful for stock traders to gauge market sentiment. It's a powerful tool for students and professionals alike. Now, let me introduce you to Talk to Books, an impressive AI tool by Google. This tool is a game changer for researchers or anyone looking for answers. Simply enter a question or phrase, and Talk to Books will scour an extensive library of books to find relevant passages. It's like having millions of books at your fingertips, saving you countless hours in your research process. The possibilities are endless, my friends. Lastly, we have Huberman AI, a quirky tool that's perfect for those of you who love Andrew Huberman's work but don't have hours to spare for his long lectures. With Huberman AI, you can search for specific topics or questions, and the AI will provide you with exact timestamps where Huberman speaks about them. This way, you can quickly find the information you need and jump right to it. However, I still recommend listening to his full lectures to grasp the depth of his knowledge. Now, my friends, these 6 AI tools are just a glimpse into the future. They are the tip of the iceberg, and if you want to stay ahead in this rapidly changing landscape, embracing AI tools is a must. Remember, those who don't adapt will be left in the dust. If you found this video valuable and want to stay up to date with the latest tools and strategies for success, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll gain access to the exclusive benefits and insights shared only with our loyal subscribers. So, what are you waiting for? Join our community of ambitious individuals and take your life to the next level. Now, before we wrap up, I want to ask you a question. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts. And finally, if you found this video valuable and it had a positive impact on your life, consider giving a tip proportional to the value you received. You can find the link to show your appreciation in the video description. Your support will enable us to continue creating high-quality content that helps you succeed. Thank you for watching, my ambitious friends. Stay curious, stay driven, and I'll catch you in the next video.